Hello, welcome back to Python video tutorials. In this video tutorial we are going to see the input function, the function which is used to get or read values from user. In one of the previous lesson we have seen how to do some calculations by assigning values, but in that program we cannot change the values or we cannot do calculations dynamically. We can do the calculations only with some fixed values which is already assigned in that. But for a program it is very much required that we have to give some value and we have to test with different values for the program. So let us try for that. Input and input function, it is taking an argument, it is a string argument, so that we can give some prompt instruction to the user when it is being run. The string which is given in the quotation, it is echoed back and the prompt is waiting for us to give some value. Please enter an integer. I am giving one value there. And the value, same value is echoed back and it is echoed within a single quotation. I suppose then it must have taken as a string, not as an integer. Okay, let us do one thing again. We can assign some variable, for example say x equal to input, please enter a number. So now the value which is being entered will be stored into the variable x, and let us see what is happening here. It is asking again for the number. 5 is entered. Let us see what is there in x. Yeah, x shows the value 5. Let us give a calculation to check whether it is a string or not. X plus x. So naturally if the value of x is 5 and 5 plus 5 is reassigned to variable x, naturally the value should be 10. Let's see what we are getting here. It is showing 55 and that is within quotation. That means it is read as a string value and string addition or string concatenation is done, joining a string with another string. So this is not the actual purpose we need. We wanted to get some integer value to do some calculation, and but here it is giving some string value, so we have to do something else. I suppose you must be aware about typecasting. Typecasting means changing the type from one to another. So let us try for that one. X equal to input, please enter an integer. The thing is given as same, but again we have used an int here. That means whatever value received there in the input function will be typecasted, or the type will be converted to integer type and the value will be stored in x. Now again it is asking, I am going to give some value 6. The value of x is 6. And again I can use some other variable, input another number. Here I am going to give 4. So if I display 4 plus x plus y, the value should be 10 and we are getting the value 10. If it was working in the previous way, it must have showed 64 instead of 10. So now we read a value, integer value, from the keyboard. So this way we can perform any calculation, addition, multiplication, division, subtraction, or whatever we wanted to do. So if you want to try, you can try this one, x plus y, and it is stored into another variable z. And if you ask for z is z equal to x minus y. So if you ask z, it will display to the difference z equal to x into x multiplied by y. So star symbol is used for the symbol for multiplication is star. So z equal to x star y, and z gives a value of product of x and y, and z equal to x divided by y. So the answer is given for the z. This way we can go for the calculations after getting values from user. This is the way to use input. Okay, one thing more we want to try. Suppose another variable t equal to t is getting a value, and if suppose we are giving something else other than integer, it is showing an error. Actually the typecasting is possible only if the inputted value is integer, then only it will be typecasted and stored properly into the variable. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like to see more videos of Python lessons, please subscribe the channel. Bye.